everyone, Melissa here from Mo Creations, coming on today with hashtag 2Crafters, 1 Design, hosted by myself, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa, and we also enter in our projects into hashtag Satmorn Makes, or Saturday Morning Makes, hosted by Jillian Norwood, and this week's theme will be bow. Next week's theme will be rosettes. So if you'd like to enter into our collabs, please go ahead and do so using those hashtags. So this week I am using the assorted mini bows from my creative time. Also, if you'd like to use my code, discount code is MOE for 10% off your total purchase, or 15% off any on the release weekends. All right, so I'm using this bow and its coordinating pieces. And I'm also using spellbinders for the first time. I'm using this little artful tulip, and it's a paintbrush, really cute. I got it for $4 from Spellbinders. And then I'm also using this Holiday Blooms, and I'm using a couple items from there, from Spellbinders. And then this Snap paper pad, I'm using a couple colors from there. And here are the 2 embellishments that I made using the paintbrush and the bows. I thought they turned out so cute. Oh, and I'm also using this glitter pen here. I forgot the name of it, but it's just a clear glitter pen to add a little sparkle on my flowers, or on my little items there, and on the paintbrush tip. But so super cute. I thought it is just an adorable embellishment, so I can either put those on a card at a later date or send them off just as embellishments. Not sure yet, but so super cute. Hopefully you can see the sparkle on those little flowers, and that little I forgot what that's called, but you know what it is. And then on the paintbrush tip there, adorable embellishments. So if you have the time to enter into our collabs, please do so using both of those hashtags, hashtag 2Crafters 1 Design, as well as hashtag Satmorn Makes. All right, make sure you check out the ladies' links down below. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.